All right, so now you can talk about your daily routine in Brazilian Portuguese. But wait, what if you want to invite someone to do something, like grabbing food, going out, or making plans? Well, today you're going to learn how to make suggestions, or in Portuguese, sugestões. Let's get started. First things first, how do you suggest something? Super easy. You can start with que tal, which means what about or how about. Or you can say vamos, which means let's. That's it. Two powerful ways to start making plans. Now, let's see some real examples. Want to suggest food? Just say que tal uma pizza, which means how about a pizza? Simple and delicious. Want to suggest a day? Try this. Que tal sexta-feira? Which means, what about Friday? Boom, you're already making plans. Now let's use vamos. You can say vamos comer, which means let's eat. Or if you want something more fun, vamos para a praia, which means let's go to the beach. Nice. Now you're inviting people like a pro. So, how do people respond when they like your idea? They can say boa ideia, which means good idea, or even better, ótima ideia, which means great idea. See? Now you can suggest plans and respond to them all in Brazilian Portuguese. Go ahead, practice saying que tal uma pizza or vamos comer. You're not just learning words, you're starting real conversations. Before you go, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give this video a big like. Because next time you want to make plans in Portuguese, you won't hesitate. You'll suggest it like a pro. Agora é com você. Se inscreve no canal, deixa o seu like e vem aprender comigo. Rápido, antes que eu comece a dizer que tal uma pizza para todo mundo.